What is reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo? reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo is a handheld device that uses red and infrared LED lights to promote collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin health. It is designed to be used on the face, neck, and hands, and features a rechargeable battery and a built-in timer that automatically shuts off after 3 minutes. The device is FDA cleared for use and is a convenient, at-home solution for improving skin appearance and reducing signs of aging. How does reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo work? reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo uses a combination of red and infrared LED lights to penetrate the skin and stimulate collagen production. Red light helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while infrared light promotes healing and reduces inflammation. The LED lights are safe and do not emit harmful UV rays, and the device is designed to be used on the face, neck, and hands. The lights penetrate deep into the skin, helping to improve overall skin health and appearance. The device is easy to use and features a rechargeable battery and a built-in timer that automatically shuts off after 3 minutes. Features and benefits of reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo. Features: a handheld device that is easy to use and portable. A rechargeable battery that allows for multiple uses without needing to be plugged in. 62 red and infrared LED lights that penetrate deep into the skin. A built-in timer that automatically shuts off after 3 minutes. FDA cleared for use on the face, neck, and hands. Benefits: promotes collagen production, which reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Improves skin health and appearance. Reduces inflammation and promotes healing. Safe to use and does not emit harmful UV rays. Can be used at home for convenience. The built-in timer ensures that the device is used for the appropriate amount of time. The rechargeable battery saves money and makes the device more eco-friendly. How to use reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo. To use reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo, follow these steps. Step 1. Cleanse your face and remove any makeup. Step 2. Turn on the device by pressing the power button. Step 3. Place the device against your skin and hold it there for 3 minutes. Step 4. Move the device to a new area and repeat the process. Step 5. After 3 minutes, the device will automatically shut off. Pros and cons of reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo. Pros: easy to use and can be used at home for convenience. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating collagen production. Promotes healing and reduces inflammation. Safe to use and does not emit harmful UV rays. FDA cleared for use on the face, neck, and hands. The device is portable and features a rechargeable battery. The built-in timer ensures that the device is used for the appropriate amount of time. Cons: the device is relatively expensive compared to other skincare products. The device may not be suitable for those with sensitive skin or certain medical conditions. The device requires consistent use for best results, which may be inconvenient for some users. reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo price and where to buy. reVive Light Therapy Lux Glo is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.